It's Monday, May 16th, and the cushion is rapidly deflating. And there's still a fair amount to do the landscaping here. I've got a lot of painting on the interior and the exterior. We've got some clear coat stuff. Still have a lot of just cleaning up in terms of everything. Still have a couple windows that are the broken windows that I have to replace. So yeah, I've got a little bit of stress going. And of course we got all the staging that we're doing now. I did enlist the help of an old tenant and friend who is an amazing stager. Another A-teamer, Heather, and her assistant are going to help us out with that. So hopefully by the end of the day, Thursday, we'll have it all staged as well. So all this stuff cleaned up, touched up, landscaped, staged by Thursday, end of the day. And then we'll list it on Friday, get it under contract over the weekend, and breathe easy. All these dents and dings are just telling all kinds of mini stories over 70 years. Was together. Yeah. Here's my morning sod delivery, delivered at 4:30 p.m. What's up? JJ, pro painter all the way. All ready for sod. Almost. Oh, it's so good. Love it. It's about 7:45 p.m. and I'm ready for some breakfast. It's Wednesday morning and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of what we still have to do. We basically have to finish everything, including staging, by the end of the day tomorrow, Thursday. Gotta clean this up. Clean this up. Hopefully install this door there. Finish the landscaping through here. Finish the landscaping through here. Gotta install that. Fix that gap. Finish this landscaping. Finish the porch. There's some clear coat stuff. I finished the front. You gotta put the numbers on and stuff. Get rid of that mulch pile. Okay, got some light fixtures to put in. Gotta get the fridge and stove installed. Cabinet doors on, light fixtures. Fix up these doors. New light fixtures, a little bit of cleanup in the bathroom. I should probably put a new toilet seat on. Clean the windows, gotta clean the windows. And touch up and clean the carpet here. A little cleanup in the laundry room and the back. That's it. There's always something with pouring epoxy. Well, yesterday I mixed that big old batch of it, and as I was getting to this second section, I noticed it was getting pretty warm. So I tried to speed things up and just lay it out. And by the time I got to here, it was just getting hot and it was congealing. And I had to just kind of stop because it was just hardening so quickly. And so I went out, I mixed another batch, I scraped a little bit off here, and I was able to salvage what could have been catastrophic in a relative sense. And you know, there's some blemishes in this part. I went back over it, but there's some little raised areas. But I think I can. They're acceptable, but I can try to fix those up a little bit. And then after I left, some of the masking fell on the new floor, so that's going to require something. And as always, the edges are just not great, so I may do a little sanding to those and use some sort of poly to kind of fix those up. But overall, I think I think it was a success. It's a good looking counter. Just has a little character already. I did read these detailed directions that they gave me. Got an Italian crew hooking us up with the cleaning. Got Travis on the mailbox. Man, you know you're getting close when the mailbox is going in, right? And the numbers. It's 5:20 on Thursday morning, and I figured I'd jog down here with Zula to get some photos in the early morning light. Oh yeah! Getting the staging going. I got a lot of the trash and just left cardboard and metal. Looking good, JJ. Here's what we got going on back here. Is this gonna happen in a day? Who knows? There's Milton. Insane. In the membrane, you got okay. Forward. Look respectable. Cheers. Cheers. What has transpired here today? I mean, my wife and I are kind of wondering if we should keep this place. Tomorrow we list it. It was close to 90 degrees today, Thursday. End of the day, it's almost 7:30. And it is going to be a high of 44 tomorrow. So I'm trying to get the rest of the painting done, and then this is the new plan. We are going to list around noon on Friday. Well, it's snowing. Will it be snowing? I don't know. I might get blown off the ladder here.
Yeah, it's like a huge shift.
It's easier to see with the phone. We still have some disarray. My daughter has come to be my designated driver. This was your first house.
I wouldn't be able to tell.
We are going to list today, but there are a few things to tighten up. I'm done. We listed it in the early afternoon on Friday. Check back in to see how things shake out. And of course there are some elements to this project that are lipstick on a pig, but it's a pretty attractive pig. You may have noticed during this whole 30-day house makeover that Eric has been wearing some amazing shirts, and he actually had this shirt custom made for me, which talks about some of the elements of what I consider a good remodel, starting with elegance. And you can find some of these beautiful t-shirts by following you on Instagram. Is that one of the ways?
Yeah, Instagram, and I got a website. Instagram is Live Long, Live Often, and then the website is Live Long, Live Often. And basically, it's just about living and loving what you're doing, and really getting after it with the time that you have. So I'm a mountain biker, so I like to try to have fun, not dying.
So far, so good.
Yeah, and I should actually have a construction one, given that I shoot things through my phone and whatnot.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't show that video again.